Hi everyone, this is Professor Shashikant Pathak from National Institute of Education. Welcome to my series of short how to learn videos. In this video, we'll learn about how to solve problems on exponents. So I'm going to choose first problem here. I have 125 to the power 1 by 3, that is equal to, actually it's not equal to, so let's go back here, minus 10 to the power 0, and then I have here 64 to the power of 2 by 3. So what we need to do, we need to solve this simply here. So what I can do, I can simply go here and I can see here the factors of 125. So let's do the factors here first. So let's draw a straight line here for units. It's still not a straight, but it's okay. So 125 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5, 3 times, right? So 3 times. And then 64 we can do the factors here again. And I can see here, because I see a cubic root here, so I can do in terms of 4. So 4 into 4 into 4 3 times. And that will solve my purpose. I'll explain to you. So here the 125 I can rewrite it as 5 to the power 3. And then I have here again 1 over 3, and then minus 10 to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. So no matter you have a to the power 0, it is 1. You have 1000 to the power 0 is 1. In the same way, 10 to the power 0 is also 1. Right? So that will be 1. And then we have here 64. So 64 we can rewrite that as 4 to the power 3. And then I have a bracket and then 2 upon 3. So what we get in the next step, so these powers are multiplied, power to power is multiplied, so 3 into 1.3 is 1, so that becomes simply 5 minus 1 is multiplied to 4 to the power 3, so simply it is 4 to the power 3, and then again here the powers are multiplied, so 3 and 3 cancels out, and basically there's another way of writing it as 1. If you want to write down the same with cubic root, then I can rewrite it as 5 to the power 3 here, and then the cubic root here, and we can again rewrite it as 3 to the power, just for a little bit more understanding. So 4 to the power 3 here, and then we can do a bracket and 2. Next step, again you're going to get the same thing, 5 minus, here you get 4, powers cancelling, and then you have a square here, which gives you in turn 5 minus 16, and that is nothing but simply minus 11, and that is your final answer. Okay, so let's choose our second problem here. So number 2, and then I have here 125 over 216, 216 bracket, and then I have here minus x over 4, that is equal to 6 by 5 bracket, and we have 3x minus 3. So first of all, what I see here, that on both sides, because I see 6 here, 5 here, and this is the fourth root of this value. Here 125 can be factored in terms of 5, 216 can be factored in terms of 6 also. So let's see how it goes. So what I can do, I can reverse this here. I can bring it in the numerator to 216 into numerator and 125 to denominator to make this positive here. So let's rewrite down. So 216 upon 125, and then I can put a bracket here and I can make it positive now, so x upon 4. So I just flipped the denominator to numerator, numerator to denominator, in order to make this positive. That is equal to, again here, 6 by 5 to the power 3x minus 3. So let's do the factors here. So factors for 216. So 216 is actually 6 into 6 into 6. So 3 times. And 125 is again the same way, 5 into 5 into 5. So 3 times again. So what I can do, I can rewrite it as 6 upon 5. So I can do 6 here as power 3. I can do 5 as power 3. And I can put a bracket, x upon 4. Right? and then this is again 6 upon 5 to the power 3x minus 3. So this one can be rewritten as 6 upon 5 to the power 3, and then I have again here I can put another bracket here, and then I can do x by 4, and that will be equal to 6 by 5 3x minus 3. So what I see here, that from this, because the base are the same now, and here you have 3x upon 4, this will be multiplied. So I can rewrite this simply as here that 3 into x upon 4 is equal to 3x minus 3. Right? And then we can solve it. We can cross multiply. This is actually upon 1. We can cross multiply. So 3x is equal to 4 into 3x minus 3. And that gives you 3x equal to 12x minus 12. You can transfer this on this side. So 3x minus 12x is equal to minus 12. So 9x equal to minus 9x equal to minus 12. So finally, I have to write down here the answer. No space left. So x is equal to how much? X is going to be minus minus cancels out, 12 upon 9, which is nothing but simply 12 upon 9, and that is 4 upon 3. Right? So that's your answer. Okay, so let's do the third question here, and the third question here is 216 I have to the power x. So I'll put a bracket here, I'll put power x, and then it is divided here. This time it is divided, and then I have 1296 to the power 5x minus 4. So that's a big number here. And then I have here, this is multiplied to 36 to the power x plus 5. So now we have to solve for x. Solve for x. Right? So what we can do here? So I see 216. Let's do factors here quickly here. So 216, let's make a line here. 216 is 6 into 6 into 6, 3 times. And in the same way, 1296, if you use your calculator, you can easily identify that this is 6 into 6 into 6 into 6, 4 times. Right? So I can write this as 6 to the power 3 to the power x divided by, and this I can rewrite here as 6 to the power 4 bracket, and then I have here 5x minus 4 into 36 to the power x plus 5. So please note down that we have not changed the values anywhere. We have still 216 here, but written in a different form. 1296 is still here, written in a different form. So now we see this division here, so we need to do the operation, the first of all, division here. So what we can do, we need to go back and then rewrite this 66 into 3 to the power 3x, because this is multiplied here. And this one will become, you see here that this is division, so division means multiplication. 1 upon 6 to the power 4, 4 multiplies to 5x minus 4, right? And then I have here multiplication of 36 to the power x to the power 5, so I can write it as 6 squared and then x plus 5. So what we get here, we get 6 to the power 3x multiplied by this, so I can bring it up again. So if I bring it up, then what I'm going to get minus 4 multiplied by 5x minus 4, and I have again here, so this is all multiplication now. This is 6 squared, so it's squared multiplied to the power here, so that is x plus 5. Further we solve it, we get 6 to the power 3x multiplied 6 to the power minus 20x plus 16 and then here we have 6 to the power 2x plus 10, right? So you know that all the bases are same now, so powers are simply added, so I can get 3x plus minus 20x plus 16 plus, I'm just writing in bracket, 2x plus 10. So that gives me 6 to the power. I add all these three powers, so 3x minus 20x plus 16, right, plus 2x plus 10, and that is equal to 6 to the power minus 7, so minus 17x here and then plus 2, so minus 15x, and then here 16, which is plus and plus, so plus 26. So that's your final answer. So I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for your attention.